On the other hand, where the puberty rites have not been performed and a girl is found to be pregnant, in extreme cases in time past, the precocious girl was declared as an outcast and banished from town. But where the family condescends to accept the pregnancy, the baby, when born, is regarded as PRABI, that is, a child of an unknown father, although not in the true sense and social definition of a bastard. Such a child is essentially a core member of the maternal family and the property of that family because it has only a maternal family and no paternity connections. That baby, when born, is outdoored, dedicated, and named in the normal way according to custom. It stands good to mention that there are several sanctions on the family of an assumed father, should he show up any time later to claim the baby as it grows up. However, it is the practice, as in any normal procedural marriage, for the newlywed bride's family to prove that their daughter is really a virgin. And as a further proof of chastity, in times past, when the young girl is betrothed and married, a bridal party accompanies her ceremonially to her maternal home for the first time. An auntie or a close relative out of the bridal party was supposed to stay overnight to check the bridal bedding early the next morning and show the man's family that the blood-stained bedding is proof enough that the girl is not a sucked orange, or, as said in Ghana, not a ngamoto, that is, a live crab with an empty shell.